If you want to make money from this revolutionary software, all you have to do is copy and paste this right here, and then go right here to the next piece, input the information here, go to proceed, and watch as the views take off as you get views like this that make money like this. Hey guys, if you want to make money with YouTube Shorts without showing your face, without making the video, then you are on the right video. See, many people try YouTube Shorts but fail because they don't stay consistent. And if you stay consistent and follow the steps that I'm going to share with you in this training, you will have success. Imagine what your life could be like, traveling the world, having time freedom to do whatever you want with whomever you want, and having the financial confidence to never have to worry about money again. See, you are going to learn how to do this in less than 10 minutes per day if you follow this video step by step. I'm going to show you inside 2 pieces of software that I use that make content creation literally effortless. And the best part is you can try it today 100% for free anywhere in the world. But before we begin, make sure to like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And also comment down below YouTube Shorts and I will comment back to you. Now, if you stay till the end of this video, I'm going to show you a way to win $100 just for watching this all the way to the end. So you definitely want to stick around for that. Alright guys, so this is really exciting. I'm going to share with you the new methodology on how to make money with YouTube, how to monetize, okay, YouTube Shorts. So check this out. Alright, so basically, as you know, TikTok has rocked the digital nation by grabbing your attention to younger viewers who want to share their videos and expressions. So what YouTube is trying to do with YouTube Shorts is, in a nutshell, they're trying to be competitive with TikTok. They don't want to get old. Depending on your age, if you don't know MySpace, then you're probably really young. But if you are, in my age, then you know MySpace, and you know it got taken over by Facebook because MySpace was for older people and Facebook got new. And then when Facebook got for older people, people went to Instagram, people went to TikTok, okay? And YouTube is the grandfather, right? So they're trying to have this cool factor with them. So they're creating YouTube Shorts and they're rewarding providers and content creators for creating these short videos that are under 60 seconds. Now, in this training, I'm going to share with you how you can make these shorts without putting any effort in. You don't have to be on camera. There's going to be some examples that I share with you that are going to be on camera, but I'm going to show you 2 tools that I use that make it effortless, and you're going to be blown away. And I promise you, you need these tools because in order to compete today, if you don't have them, then you're going to lose to everyone else who does. You understand that? In the world of competition, you have to have the edge. And this, my friends, is the edge. All right, so let's get into just a little bit about the possibilities of what you can make with this monetization strategy with YouTube. So here is one shorts creator. His name is Luke Davison, and it's called Luke Davison Facts. All right, and as you can see right here, he gets 137 million views in 30 freaking days, man. That's 30 days. And this is the kind of money that he's getting paid with, and this is 100% using YouTube Shorts. And as you can see, the traffic, boom, video views, crazy, 4 million plus views a day, and thousands upon thousands, tens of thousands of dollars per day by creating these short little videos. And if you go to his actual YouTube channel, let me just see if I can get it right here. This is what his channel looks like, okay? He's got 941,000 subscribers doing these little short videos under 60 seconds, 46 seconds, 40 seconds. And you can see all the way down, they're all under 1 minute. So not a ton of time, as far as that ellipses from these videos, but at the same time, it takes a lot of effort in order to do this. So check this out. If you want to kind of just see when he created this channel, he created this on February 12th, 2021, okay? I'm shooting this video right now in August, so that wasn't too long ago when he just started this channel and already has 900,000 subscribers doing this shorts, all right? And if you want to even see which videos of his blew up, you can see, we can sort by most popular and see how many, when they blew up. So within a 2-month period of time, 20 million views, 3 months, 20 million, 2 months. So very, very recent, okay? And these short clips. And that's what's possible. Let me show you another YouTuber. What's his name? Captain Bling Bling, okay? Almost 200 million views. And look at the monetary earnings on a monthly basis, and look at annual basis potential for this guy also doing shorts. And if we go to his YouTube channel, you can see right here, again, all under 60 seconds. And if we watch the videos and reverse engineer, you know, how many videos actually blew up, you can again see 4 months ago he got 38 million views, 37 million views. It's crazy, right? You're doing these little short clips and YouTube's willing to reward you. But again, if you don't want to be on video, if you don't want to be, you know, actually the ones, you know, actually making the videos yourselves, then let me share with you a strategy that will absolutely get you in the position to start getting your videos ranked, found, and blown up virally so you can make this type of money as well. Now, the first thing that I do is really simple. I go to Google Trends, okay? Google's Trends is the best place to go when you're looking for, what's popular, what's being searched right now. And as you can see, today, as I'm shooting this, 500,000 searches today were made from Charlie Watts. Now, unfortunately, you know, this is news that Charlie Watts, he was a drummer of Rolling Stones, and he died. He died at 80 years old. So people are searching, and that's everywhere. And if you don't want to be gruesome, you can always, not gruesome, but morbid, right? You talk about death, you don't have to, but if you don't mind, then it's a real topic that people want to see. And I'm going to do a strategy on this specific topic. But the strategy that I do, you can do for each one of these searches. This one, this one, this one, this one, this one, all the way down, all right? And you just want to keep going down and doing the searches that have at least over 20,000 searches. The more searches, the better, because the more virality and the more popular it's going to be. Okay, so the first software that I use, which is absolutely amazing, it's Jarvis AI. Okay, and what this is, it's a software that literally writes your content for you. Okay, literally writes your content for you. You do not have to do anything. I'm going to show you how this strategy works, and you can create little shorts that are going to take you a fraction of the time than if you were trying to do it yourself. Can you do it by yourself? 100%. You can 100%, click on this, this little right here. Let's just click on it, and you can go to an article, look at the article, and write an article based on the summation of all this. But that means you have to put it down, you have to summate it and read it, and really just put it in a position that makes sense. And that could take God knows how long. Like, I hated doing that when I was in school, right? This software will allow you to do that, and there is a free trial that you can actually do. The one that I have, the one that I highly recommend, is the Pro software, and these are all 100% money back. If you don't like it, then you can always get your money back. But I assure you, when you see how it works, it's going to blow your mind away. All right, so let's go into this right now. Okay, so this is the back office. And as you go into the back office, what you want to do is, there's a lot of stuff here. There's a lot of tutorials on how to use this stuff. But you could go to the Jarvis Bootcamp. There's a Facebook group. People are really in it, and they can help you out with whatever you need. But as far as this goes, it's really simple. I go to templates, and then from templates, I go to long forms, or whatever that just said. And then you go to blog post workflow, or you can start from scratch. I just use the workflow because, again, I don't want to do any of the work, right? I just want to get the content out. So what I would do is I would take the title of the article, copy, and then I'm going to put it right here. Charlie Watts, bedrock drummer from Rolling Stone dies at 80. Okay? And then I can do keywords. Oh my God, I can't. I'm like excited. Like, I'm like a kid at Christmas. I'm like, I just can't wait to get it out. Let's show you how cool this freaking thing is. It's going to be freaking awesome. All right, Rolling Stones. And that's enough. So then what you do is you go to continue. And now, if you want to create the title yourself, totally fine. I think the title is pretty much self-evident. You really don't have to need help with this one, but some you may. But just to watch, generate ideas, and it's going to come up with a ton of different ideas that you can leverage and utilize. And here we go. Charlie Watts. I'm going to use this one. And then, again, I don't want to come up with the paragraph or anything like that. So I just generate the idea for the paragraph. Watch this. Can't wait. Come on, do your thing. Watch it, watch it. Boom! Right? So the intro paragraph is already done. And basically, you just look through this and see which one makes the most sense for you. I like this one, Charlie. Alright, so I'm going to use this. I'm going to open the editor. Now the editor's open. So Charlie Watts Rock and Roller, and then you just you just space it out a little bit. Give it a little space, and then you press compose and watch it do its thing. Bam, right? So it's already written a piece of content out for you. Is the last living Rolling Stones that played in rock and roll. It's Charlie Pass. It's influential. Rock and roll. It's always loved by his. And then you can just write a little bit by his fans, just to keep him on track. Boom. And then once it's here, once this fills up and says compose again, right? And you just keep writing. It's absolutely crazy. And you can write as much or as little as you want. Personally, I think that this is enough for a short, because again, shorts are only 60 seconds. And that's all you really need. So then what you do, obviously you want to tweak it a little bit to make it the most sense, but I'm keeping this video as short as possible just so I can show you. And then I'll go to the next phase, and then I'm going to take you to the next software, which is going to do all of the videos for you. Okay, now this video is called Pictory. Now Pictory is actually a replacement, because there was a software. It's called Vidnami, but it got bought by GoDaddy, and now they've taken everything offline. So you'll see a lot of tutorials about Vidnami, but it's not on. So this is the new software that you can use if you haven't already, pretty much to create videos starting from scratch just through the text. Okay, so once you put this in, you're gonna place this little text inside of here, and then you're gonna go to proceed. Okay, now once you go to proceed, you're gonna go to landscape, and now you just sit back and you relax, right? So it's doing its thing, you're not doing anything, and as you can see, line by line, what it will do is it will come up with a story that has to do with what's being said. Now, when you're talking about specific celebrities, they pick royalty-free type of pictures. So what you're gonna have to do is just create visual aid that will help it make more sense. Otherwise, it won't be as good. See, legendary drummer Charlie Watts died. See, but we want to see a picture of Charlie Watts. So what you can do is you go on Google, take a whole bunch of photos from Charlie Watts, and then you go to images and you just check it out. Now I've already done that. When we go to visuals, and we're gonna go to uploads, and then see, I've already downloaded up here or uploaded it up here. But what you would do is you'd copy it, drag and drop, and you can drag it right here. And now all of a sudden you're gonna have images that you're gonna put inside of your story to make it make sense. Okay, and now the best part about it is, like, once you put it in, it's always going to be there. So if you're talking about a specific content, then you'll have those pictures and images that will be relevant very soon. So what do? You go here, click on that, you go to visuals, and then what are we saying? So he died at 80, right? So what we're going to do is we're going to get a picture of Charlie right there. Boom. And there he is. And now you're going to say Rolling Stone died, announced on his Facebook page. So we can have a picture of him on his, wait, we don't want to do another one. Let's do that one. So there we go. We go back to the story. See, so he says, with tremendous sadness. So if you wanted to use sadness as an emotion, this is sadness. We could keep this here. It's not terrible. And then you could say the drummer. Okay, no. I got a better picture of a drummer. So have him as a young drummer, as a stud, and doing his thing. And then one of a kind. He was truly one of a kind. And then I can get him a picture with his friends, okay? And then so on and so forth, right? And you just storyboard this all the way down, right, until the pictures match with the words, and now you got yourself a full-fledged video, and it's completely done. All right, and you can grab Pictionary at the bottom of this page in the description. You can do 3 free videos for there, 100% free, and just check it out, and I promise you, you will be amazed by it. Also, what we can do is audios. If you don't want to use your own voice, but first of all, this is the background, so you can definitely click here and do your thing, right? You can have a ukulele in the back and you can apply it all the way through. But if you don't want to do your own voiceovers, for whatever reason, if you don't want to read the little 1-minute script that you can just clearly read, then you can just use a voice over from here, and then you just go to like apply. And now you have the voiceover and you can hear the sound.
Welcome to Pictory. It has been shown that video increases conversion rates by 80%.
Right, so that's the voice, and then what you simply do once you're done with your pictures, you got your background music, then you click the generate button, and then it's done. You let it generate and do its thing. Alright guys, quickly check this out.
Legendary rock drummer Charlie Watts has died at age 80.
Right?
The Rolling Stones announced his death on their Facebook page this morning.
And you can always play around with it.
Tremendous sadness. We announced the death of
right, so you can always play with it, change the speed until you like it just that way, and then you're good to go. And you can always play with it right here if you need to make any adjustments to the voiceover, to the speed and whatnot. And then you're done, guys. You literally created the video. Like, if I wasn't talking and explaining this to you at the same time, I mean, this is a 18-minute video. It would be less because I would be doing it in like 5 to 7 minutes, especially once all the resources and images are already uploaded. So if that's of interest to you, definitely pick up Pictory, and also you want to pick up what's Jarvis AI. You want to pick up those two, use them together, and then go to the Google Trends to find the hot topic of the day, and then you're just going to upload that into YouTube, and you are 100% shorts ready, original content. You don't have to show your face, and you didn't create the videos yourself. Boom! Alright guys, if you got value from this video, first of all, I just want to share with you how you can make that additional $100 just for watching it. Real simple. All you got to do is like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. And at the very bottom, write YouTube Shorts. And I will pick a winner from random, and you will get $100 just for watching this video as promised in the very beginning. That's it, alright guys. I'll see you on the next video. Take care. Peace.